In this, you get the aroma of various traditional flowers. It brings feminine thoughts to our brain. In this, aroma of rose, jasmine, etc. flowers is more popular. With this, one experiences cleanliness and freshness. Orange, lemon, lemongrass, grapefruit, etc. spread such fragrance. You can keep it anywhere in the bathroom, car, or office. Green fragrance is beneficial for everyone. Rosemary, chamomile, and eucalypt are more popular in this. Using these, you can take a relaxing bath. It is an aroma suitable for bathing. Both men and women can use it. Sandalwood, rosewood, musk, etc. fragrances are available in this. You can put this fragrance in any attractive vessel anywhere in your house.